In today's world, maintaining healthy indoor air quality is more important than ever, especially in bedrooms where restful sleep matters most. Humidifiers have become essential for combating dry air, soothing allergies, and keeping skin, plants, and sinuses hydrated. From compact designs to high-capacity smart models, there's a humidifier to suit every need. In this guide, we evaluate performance, tank capacity, noise levels, smart features, and overall value to help you choose the best option.
Product number 1. Levoit Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom, Large Room, Home, 6 liters. The Levoit 6-liter Smart Humidifier is ideal for larger bedrooms or living spaces, thanks to its generous water capacity that supports up to 60 hours of continuous mist. This cool mist humidifier doubles as an essential oil diffuser, allowing you to add soothing aromas to your environment. The top-fill design makes refilling simple, while Smart App and voice controls let you adjust mist levels without leaving bed. With ultra-quiet operation, it's perfect for nurseries and nighttime use. Designed with plant care in mind, it maintains optimal humidity levels for greenery as well. Whether you're easing congestion, hydrating dry skin, or improving sleep quality, this humidifier provides consistent performance. Its blend of large capacity, smart functionality, and quiet operation makes it one of the best choices for versatile bedroom comfort. Product number 2. Levoit Top-Fill Humidifiers for Bedroom, 2.5 liter. If you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly humidifier that doesn't compromise on performance, the Levoit 2.5-liter top-fill humidifier is a strong contender. With a runtime of up to 24 hours, this model is perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or medium-sized rooms. Its top-fill tank allows hassle-free refilling and easy cleaning, while its 28-decibel quiet operation ensures uninterrupted sleep. Designed with cool mist technology, it provides relief for dry sinuses, skin, and plants without leaving condensation on surfaces. The unit's adjustable mist output gives you flexibility to create the perfect comfort zone, while its lightweight build makes it easy to move from room to room. Parents will particularly appreciate the whisper-quiet design for baby nurseries. If you want a reliable humidifier with a sleek, compact design and simple operation, this Levoit model is an excellent choice.
Product number 3. Drio Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom, 4 liter. The Drio 4-liter Smart Humidifier blends advanced technology with user-friendly design, making it perfect for modern households. Offering up to 36 hours of runtime, it's suitable for both bedrooms and medium to large rooms. The highlight here is smart connectivity. You can control it via touch panel, smartphone app, or even voice assistants like Alexa and Google. Its 28-decibel whisper-quiet performance ensures uninterrupted rest, while the soft night light creates a soothing atmosphere. The top-fill system simplifies refilling, and its mist output is adjustable for customized comfort. Designed with both baby nurseries and indoor plants in mind, the Drio balances humidity efficiently and evenly. With a sleek black design, it also complements contemporary interiors. If you're seeking a humidifier that combines smart features, quiet performance, and an elegant look, this model is a standout choice for bedroom comfort and convenience.
Product number 4. Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment Mist Air is a trusted favorite for bedrooms, nurseries, and offices due to its simplicity and reliability. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank, it provides up to 25 hours of cool mist, making it ideal for overnight use in smaller spaces. Its ultrasonic technology ensures whisper-quiet operation, perfect for light sleepers. The adjustable mist settings allow you to personalize humidity levels, while the optional nightlight adds a calming glow, great for children's rooms. With automatic shutoff when water runs low, it's safe and worry-free for continuous use. Its sleek and compact design makes it easy to place on nightstands or desks without taking up too much space. Though smaller than other options, its balance of affordability, efficiency, and user-friendly features makes the Mist Air a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable humidifier for everyday bedroom comfort.
Product number 5. Dreo 16L Smart Humidifier, Large Room, 1,000 square feet. For those needing maximum coverage, the Dreo 16L Smart Humidifier is a powerhouse designed for large bedrooms, open concept spaces, or entire apartments. With its massive 16-liter capacity, it delivers up to 130 hours of continuous mist, meaning you'll refill it less often. Covering up to 1,000 square feet, it's one of the most powerful home humidifiers available. Beyond capacity, it boasts modern controls, touch panel, remote, app, and voice assistance for seamless operation. The self-cleaning tank helps reduce maintenance, while multiple mist levels let you tailor humidity for plants, babies, or general comfort. Despite its size, it operates quietly, ensuring peaceful nights. This is the ultimate choice for households wanting long-lasting performance, cutting-edge smart features, and broad coverage. If you're serious about air quality and convenience, the Dreo 16L is an investment worth making.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you want, you can also share it with your friends.